The Hajj pilgrimage is a profound spiritual journey that connects millions of Muslims to centuries of tradition. Its roots trace back to Prophet Ibrahim, who built the Kaaba with his son Ismail. Each ritual reflects acts of devotion, like the tawaf, circling the Kaaba, symbolizing unity and submission to Allah. The Hajj was revived as a compulsory practice during the Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, time. Over 1,400 years, it has evolved, with caravans now replaced by advanced transportation bringing pilgrims from over 180 countries. Currently, over 2.5 million pilgrims gathered annually for Hajj. Hajj signifies humility, equality, and the shared hope for forgiveness. This sacred journey is a timeless reminder of faith and a call to align our lives with purpose, sacrifice, and gratitude. Hajj isn't just a pilgrimage, it's a living legacy. Follow for more fascinating insights from the Quran and Islamic history.